A perfectly cooked hard-boiled egg has a firm, gorgeous golden yolk with no hint of gray or green, which is a telltale sign of an overcooked egg. If you're looking for a perfect foolproof method for making hard-boiled eggs, you've come to the right place. My method is the last one you'll need. I know that's a bold statement, but I stand by my eggs. Let's add 6 large eggs to a saucepan. It doesn't matter what kind of eggs we use, commercial, cage-free, free-range, makes no difference. Just make sure they're not expired. Cover with cold water. Make sure all your eggs are sitting at the bottom of the pan. If you have a floater, it's a rotten egg. Put these on high heat, uncovered, and let the eggs come to a boil. Now that the water's boiling, let's lower the heat to achieve a simmer. Cover and simmer for 6 minutes. Time's up. Let's move this off the heat, leaving it covered for 2 more minutes. Let's carefully drain our eggs and add cold water to stop the cooking process. The eggs are hot, so they'll heat up the water, so you'll want to change it several times. The eggs are cool now. I'm going to do one last thing before putting them in the fridge that's going to make peeling them later easier. This is a neat little trick. Some people say peeling eggs is easier if you add vinegar to the cooking water or if you make sure your eggs aren't too fresh. I just crack them all before they chill in the fridge. What did I tell you? Perfect! The yolk is firm and a gorgeous golden color. And that is how you perfectly boil an egg. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.